Hello, Tiffany here from Daisy Farm Crafts, and I just want to quickly show you this simple half double crochet stitch that I'm using, but I'm working in between each half double crochet. So this is an example of the blanket that I made using this technique, and so that's kind of gives you an idea of what it looks like. So here's the stitch. I have got my first row completed of regular half double crochets into a chain, and I've chained two and turned. So when I say in the pattern to work underneath all three loops, what I'm talking about is don't go underneath these two loops, but underneath all of them and to the left of the post. So you're working in between each half double crochet. That's what I mean. So you're not looking for this hole, you're looking for this one down here. Just simply working in between each stitch. Now why I wanted to hop on here and do a few stitches for you is to make sure you not miss the final stitch. That can send your blanket all sorts of directions and not in good ways. It just will, you want to keep the sides of your blanket straight, and the best way with this stitch is to make sure you hit that last stitch. Okay, so for if you're a beginner, if you haven't seen a half double crochet, I'm yarning over, inserting my hook, pulling up a loop, yarning over, and working through all three loops on the hook. That is what is called a half double crochet. I use US terms. So hopefully that's helpful to you. And here we go. So I am on the second to the last stitch. Now you'll know that we have the chain two and this last stitch. Make sure you go in between the chain two and the last stitch. Make your half double crochet and just chain two and turn. Loved the simplicity of this pattern, and I love the stitches that it creates. Okay, so hopefully that will get you well on your way of making this simple crochet baby blanket. Just gorgeous.